My dear lovely students, my respected other guests, take my love and salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So today is an or not ordinary day. This is a day filled with both are mixed emotions. Like on one hand, I'm really elated because we are gonna celebrate our memories and achievements at the end of the 3 months course. On the other hand, it's heavy with a quiet sadness. Sadness because I stand here to say goodbye to certain groups of students who have already become a part of my life. Dear students, when you first entered the institution, I still remember you came with countless dreams, uncertain steps, and curious eyes. Over time, I've seen you grow not just in knowledge, but in courage, character, and your dedication. I've seen you make mistakes, learn from them, laugh loudly, and rise stronger. Being a witness to this journey has been one of the best privileges of my life as a teacher. Dear students, wherever your life takes you, never forget your roots, never stop learning, never stop practicing English. And this day, I'm really honored to have you guys together. So I strongly believe that you're gonna do something better in your career because already I'm informed about you that what you know and what you can do. And this is time to say goodbye, everyone. So always remember that you will remain in my prayers and in my heart. I told you that without your dedication routine, we are nothing. So always remember that in your life, really, if you would like to expect something, so you have to stick to that. This is not an end. This is the just beginning. A beginning of your success, a beginning of your journeys, a beginning of your dreams. So never lose your connection to the Rahat's English Care. We always appreciate your dedication and around 3 months, the efforts you have made that really kept us engaged with you. Always keep in mind that when you just start to lose or get lost your conversation or practice, so from the time you start to forget. So as already you have mastered this linguistic ability, so you have to always bear in mind that you are keeping practicing with others. You are doing something that in English. So however, everyone, so this is the time to say goodbye. Okay, thank you everyone. Just be happy and safe. Assalamu alaikum.